In this next tutorial, you're going to learn how to create a licensee user underneath your account in the price posting system. First, log into the system, find licensee users, click it, find new, and click it. The following information is required: first name, last name, email address, and you must select a role. Once the information is entered, click Submit. You will receive a confirmation at the bottom that the registration process has been sent to the user. Once you receive that, you can click X and close this box. Your user will receive a confirmation email. They will have 10 minutes to register within the system. Please see our other tutorials on how to use the online beer price posting system.